Hi guys, Jessica with Eagle Creek here, and this is the 40-liter Wayfinder backpack. Now 40 liters is a pretty hefty size for a pack, so I like to think of this guy as a travel pack. Plus it's got a ton of smart travel features. So let's dive in, shall we? Now the most important thing about a travel pack is going to be that it's comfortable. And I can vouch for this pack and say, oh yeah, so comfortable. In fact, it's made with a high-density foam, which makes it feel really good while you're wearing it, even if for an extended period of time. And we've made it in a unisex and a women's fit, so it'll fit you well whether you have curves or you don't. And also, we have a nice padded hip belt right here, which I definitely recommend using because what that's gonna do is it's gonna take all of the weight off of your shoulders and help you to bear that weight on your hips. But when you're not wearing this, you can actually just tuck it away and get it out of the way. The backpack straps have an adjustable sternum strap and a safety whistle integrated into the buckle, which can come in handy if you're traveling in a place that you don't know much about. One of my favorite things about this pack is this really cool pocket right here, which we call our hidden tech pocket. I like to put my power bank and my cell phone in here so I can go ahead and charge while I'm traveling. Also my earbuds, which have a pass-through that allow the cord to go around and about and attach right here onto my backpack, allowing me to listen to my music on the go. Now let's check out this laptop compartment a little bit closer. As you can see, it fits a 17-inch laptop, and also we've got a bonus sleeve right here for a tablet as well. Now the zipper on this guy has this nice weather-resistant coating, which is going to help protect your electronics inside. And on the main compartment, these zippers are actually lockable, so if you'd like to, you can go ahead and pick up a travel lock, thread that shackle through, and all your stuff is nice and protected. Now inside, like I said, there's a ton of space, so I like to use Eagle Creek's Packet in order to help me stay organized in my bag. So I've got my toiletry kit, I've got some socks and underwear, I've got all my jeans and longer sleeved items, tees and shorts, and a whole bunch of scarves. So in here I've got, like I said, a ton of space. And up here we've got a little zippered pocket with a key fob, in addition to some slip pockets right here, a pen slot, and down here I've got two more elasticized pockets for even more organization. All right, next, this pocket. It's super cool. It's a nice wipeable material, so it's a great place to store any of your wet, damp, or dirty stuff. So I brought along a rain jacket. And what makes this pocket so cool is that here at the bottom, you've got like a little drain. So anything wet that needs to come out will come out right down here. And then this guy serves another function, and that is you can actually attach a bike light down here, which is gonna help you to make sure that you're visible if you're out and about at nighttime. We've also got a couple of loops right here for gear attachment, as well as some daisy chains. And then on the side, we've got two different pockets that'll fit your water bottle. Now, if you don't need two water bottles, totally fine because they zip up and you can store more valuable items in here because you can actually thread that toggle through the central lock point to help keep your stuff secure. Now, real quickly, I wanted to touch on the durability of this bag. Now, we stand behind this bag 100% with our no matter what warranty. We've used 300D ripstop nylon to make it, and a coating that we've made from recycled materials. Now, what type of recycled materials? Actually, that plastic film that you find in windshields that make it shatterproof, we've harvested that plastic from landfills and we're making it to make this bag water resistant. So super cool story. We're really excited to do our part to take waste out of landfills and add functionality to your gear. And that's it, guys. The Wayfinder Backpack 40 liter is the shiz, and you know you want one. So pick one up, get outside, and find your unknown. Take care, guys.
Say hello to the Navigator Travel Backpack 32 liter. Built to maximize how you carry and what you carry on your back, giving you maximum carry-on space but comfort and support to lighten the load. Built to hold both clothing and technology, this bag can pack up to 5 days worth of clothing and a 17-inch laptop. The front section is dedicated to organizing your tech, cords, and other small items with multiple mesh and zipper pockets, including an RFID safe pocket. You get wide open access to the main compartment of the bag for easy packing. The compression straps allow you to pack more in less space. If you need even more space, there is a full perimeter zipper that gives you an additional 9 liters of expansion. The outside of this bag features water-resistant, tamper-proof zips for protection and security, as well as reflective bars for visibility in the dark. When you are on the move, the external carry straps help you carry that one last thing. You get 4 external handles, 2 quick access pockets, and 2 multi-use water bottle pockets that hide away when not in use. We designed this bag with unmatched comfort for heavy loads, thoughtful external features to maximize how you carry, smaller pockets to help with what you carry, and features for when you don't want to carry. This bag was built to last. With durable, water-resistant materials, this is the perfect go bag for any adventure. Say hello to confidence for your life on the move.
Today we're going to be going through the feature sets of our Little America backpack, one of our most popular backpacks in our range. Originally we created this bag back in 2010 with the idea of timeless style, nostalgic features, as well as inspired by mountaineering. From the outside of the bag we use a really nice durable material called 600 denier polyester, which is going to be really nice and good for abrasions. As well, on the underside of the polyester we do a light coating to keep it water resistant. You'll see the clean minimalistic styling and classic styling throughout the bag, having strapping coming down. It does have sort of belting and adjustable features here, but when you remove it, it's just a magnetic pin clip, so it's easy to access the front of the bag. The same thing on the pocket, both magnetic pin clips, but it does have a zipper here to secure your goods in there as well. As we rotate the bag, the Little America is one of our bigger in the range at 25 liters, so we wanted to throw our Series 2 padded air mesh straps on here. So it's going to have lots of ability to keep you comfortable, as well as the breathability of air mesh to keep you cooler on a hot day. As we go into some of our features inside the bag, one of the most important features, and the first you'll discover when you open up the main compartment, is the padded laptop sleeve on the back panel. It fits up to a 15-inch computer, slides in easily, and has an extra soft lining here to protect your technology as it's put in. We've also, from the bottom of the bag forward, kept the laptop sleeve a couple inches off the bottom of the bag. That's going to help you when the rest of your gear is in the bag. If you do happen to drop it, it's going to allow your books, magazines, etc. to take the brunt of the blow rather than your actual technology. As we look at more features inside, we also have a nice little stowaway pocket on the side. So you can use that for pens, keeping other things secure so they don't drop to the bottom of the bag. It also has the ability to use as a media port. So if you have your media pocket there, you also have an external piece here that your headphones can come in and out of. So if you're using your phone or your MP3 player, it can keep securely snug on the top of your bag for easy access. When you open the bag, you're going to have the candy stripe red and white liner. That's going to be really nice and have that good attention to detail and something that sort of adds that modern element to this nice timeless classic bag. We have a great drawstring closure here that allows you to open it up easily, as well as cinch all your goods in so they're staying nice and secure. The Little America has been one of our most iconic silhouettes and certainly one of the most recognizable Herschel bags around. The Little America backpack is always a good choice and comes in tons of different colors and variations.